It's here, guys. The drift car is finally home. It's been so long. Oh, I freaking love this car. We're about to get all detailed today, make it look nice. But finally, it's at my house. I have all three cars together finally. I don't know what happened right there. The window trim came off. Finally, Sam got it all running 100% again since the last time we took it out and I crashed it in the dirt. It's all 100% now. It's perfect. I can take it to the track. Well, not really. I still need to do an alignment, but that's pretty much it. Do an alignment and it's good to go. All the stuff on 412 side is done. Like, they built the car. It's amazing. It sounds insane. And we might take it to a car meet tonight. Probably not, but we'll see. If I could get like a truck and trailer. That's the only thing bad about this car is that it's not registered. So everywhere it goes, it has to be truck and trailer, truck and trailer. This vlog's all over the place. Huh? Guys, we're doing so much today, like I said. I took him for a ride in the GTR. Now the E46 came home, and then tonight we're going to a car meet. So a lot of stuff going on. I don't know how I'm gonna situate these vlogs, but you know, content's constant.
So if you guys see us with the same clothes, I'm thinking we're bums.
I know, it's probably gonna be multiple vlogs in one day, but we'll see. You guys wanna hear it finally, bro? You guys can finally hear it, dude. They've never seen this car run. And I'm trying to explain to them how loud it actually is, dude. Like, alright, you go. Hear it. You never heard it on.
Loud or what? Holla. Hella loud?
Bro. You hear how it pops?
It's like popping the whole time. Well, it's idling, huh?
Imagine drifting full throttle in it.
Nah. That's dummy loud.
You like it?
Bro.
That's crazy.
Oh my god, my neighbors probably hate me, dude.
Bro, this car is...
3 blocks down, they hate you.
I want to show my dad, like my dad's reaction too. My dad's never seen it. It's loud on.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, some time has passed, but now the homies upscale detailing it came through. And we're getting all the cars washed. And look, they already washed the E46. This thing looks mint. It looks so good. The wheels look good, the tires look so freaking clean. I just gotta figure out what car's gonna go outside because we only got 2 garage spots. Look at this, guys. The engine bay was so dirty. Everyone was roasting me in the comments. We're getting it all cleaned. That's clean. I don't know if they have time washing this, but there's just too many cars to wash now. But it's so dope having all 3 cars here at the house. Like, look at this. I don't know which one's my favorite. Damn, look at this, guys. All clean. It looks perfect, dude. I think he did the engine bay too. Let me check it out. Whole interior is all mint. The outside, literally mint. Like the color. Engine bay. Oh my god, bro, look at this. It's actually insane. Guys, go follow Upscale Detailing. If you guys need any detailing, hit them up. Look at this. Bro, look how good it looks. It looks like my car has 0 miles, bro. Wow, bro. Now it looks clean. Dude, I did not know it was that clean. We got the interior, the engine bay, the car, the wheels. This is like the cleanest this car's ever been.
Oh my god. Sounds crazy in here. Oh, it sounds crazy in here. Oh
Sideways.
bro, we got sideways.
That was scary.
I was like,
I don't want to bust the
oh my god.
whatever I did last time.
Oh
bro.
my god. Felt that shit. Shut. I didn't even have my the harness on. We didn't even have harness on. We're gonna fly out.
Is it funnier than GTR?
It did feel crazy though.
Bro, feel my heart. It's like really scary driving this car. I swear.
So fast?
Bro, you drive it. I'm gonna let you drive
no.
it one day.
2 hours later.
Today we have the GTR here at the homie Manny's place. Because today we're actually, what are we doing, Manny?
Wrapping the GTR.
We're wrapping the GTR. It's the GTR time to get wrapped.
You love the E92 so much, you brought this one in already.
We're gonna do it.
This blue right here.
Yeah, maybe that blue. Let's do it this blue. Imagine? I'm kidding, guys. We're not wrapping the GTR. Not anytime soon. Oh, maybe. If Manny convinces me. I have some colors in mind if I ever thought about it. But we're not doing that today. Today we're actually changing these out. I also don't mind the car. It's so freaking dirty. Probably the dirtiest this car's ever been. Changing these out. I have carbon fiber ones for both of these. And then we also got clear side. What are these? Markers? Reflectors?
Side
I don't know.
markers, and then we're gonna wrap your door handles black.
You want to wrap them today?
Yeah.
Oh, so we are wrapping the GTR today.
I guess we are. Wrapping the door handles black, and then maybe just black out this silver.
Do you really have time for that today too?
See guys, you see how much I take care of Nick, guys? I just finished working for today. I'm clocked out. I clocked out at 5
Dang. Cigarettes never clocks out.
after hours.
Pretty much blacking out the entire GTR today. This is what we're installing today. We got carbon fiber side pieces like I told you. These are gonna look way better. And then we also got these that a buddy sent me that also has a GTR. I believe it's black as well. But he sent me these. He saw that I had the orange ones and I've been trying to get rid of them. So he asked me, he's like, you want me to send you them? And I was like, I'm down, dude. So shout out to him. Dang, that's it? That shit's so ugly, bro. Why are they orange?
It's such a baby with this damn car.
I know, I'm
Like
scared.
if I don't work on cars every single day of my life, he thinks that I'm gonna break everything.
Don't break it. I'm about to put the clear ones on. That's it? Bro, that was the quickest mod I ever did in my life.
You?
I did. Bro, it looks so much better. Look at the difference. It's literally just a little clear thing, but it makes a huge difference.
Yeah.
This should have been like the first thing I bought. We just found out, guys, that it's still orange. When the lights do come on, they stay orange. But I already ordered a new bulb. It's like an orange bulb in there. I already ordered an LED, so we're gonna have to take this out again, probably like next week. But they do look better when they're off. Alright guys, Manny's cleaning it all up. All the old glue. Oh, it looks so much better, huh?
We still gotta put the little GTR emblem, guys, but
And the car needs to get
Get
freaking
washed.
washed, bro. I literally can't stand these little handprints, but it's all black, carbon fiber. These, like I said, they're coming. They're on the way, the LEDs. They're no longer gonna be yellow. Oh my God. Bro. Manny's always so scared to start his car. because it's so loud. I'm sure his neighbors hate him. You need valves, Manny. Valvetronic valves. On the way home, Manny wants to do a little fun run. His car is not tuned yet, so I don't think it's gonna be the fastest. It's on a base map, so it's not like fully tuned. But it'll be a cool little race. I've raced them before when I was stock. Now the GTR is just a whole different animal, but. Hurts my ears. Guys, I think I figured out how to make the flames crazier. So in the last video, you guys saw me tune the GTR. And the flames are alright, like they were little flames. But the homie Anthro, if you guys remember his GTR, that purple one with the TEs, he hit me up today and he told me exactly how to make the flames kind of stay there. Man, he got such a sick video, check this out. Bro, it's literally insane. I think I can even make it bigger, to be honest, but that's fine for now. That shit is insane.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.